Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Yeah, we're still sitting in the low 80s here at 10 o'clock throughout North Alabama. There's the view from our Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. Hit a high of 93 today in Huntsville, 94 in Muscle Shoals. So another hot one out there, an 18th day in a row at or above 90 degrees. Again, 11 of those at or above 95 degrees. And take a look at our June. Of course, tomorrow's the last day of June. We are sitting at the 8th warmest June on record. If you go back to 1937 for Huntsville records, the warmest on record, 1952, and that is well out of reach, but still a very warm June here in North Alabama. Take a look at the rainfall estimates over the last 24 hours. It's kind of feast or famine. You'll notice that a lot of North Alabama staying completely dry, but if you get underneath some of these swipes with some of those storms here this evening, they're picking up a quick quarter, half of an inch, even up to an inch as you get closer to some of the yellows on the map. But what we're seeing right now, mostly dry conditions. What's left of some of those heavier showers and thunderstorms now kind of drifting into Tennessee and falling apart. Still also keeping an eye on some of the storms off to our southeast. You'll notice that some of these coming close to Gadsden. This is actually all originating closer to Atlanta, Georgia earlier this evening and developing as it crossed over the state line. But that'll likely fall apart as we continue to lose the heat of the evening. Closer look at Lauderdale County. Again, that's what's left of those thunderstorms that were still producing some heavy rain and cloud ground lightning just about 45 minutes ago. So that's how quickly they can dissipate once they lose that fuel. Future radar through the overnight hours still showing some lingering showers and storms, but we'll be dry by that morning commute. And then as we heat things up with enough sunshine breaking through the passing clouds tomorrow, we're starting to see the pop-up showers and storms. Again, not a huge coverage of storms tomorrow. I would call that isolated, but about a 20 to 30% chance. If you get underneath one, you're going to see the heavy rain, the gusty winds, and the lightning, but much of North Alabama staying dry. Friday, we'll go through the process again, but you'll notice the coverage picking up a little bit by Friday afternoon. See all those scattered storms developing. A lot of that coverage just off to our south, but it's still a good chance for some rain. And yeah, we could sure use some rainfall here in North Alabama. Rainfall forecast, this goes through the next 7 days. You'll notice a lot of blue on the map. Once you get closer to the blue, that's about a half an inch or more, and even a few spots picking up over an inch of rainfall through the next 7 days. Also keeping a close eye on the tropics. This is a tropical wave well off to our east and southeast, heading towards the Windward Leeward Islands. But then you'll notice in the Gulf of Mexico, right here off the coast of Texas, this little swirl right here. This could become a developed tropical system in the next few days. Regardless of what it does, you'll notice this map right here. This is showing all the tropical moisture in the atmosphere. This is what could become of that, maybe just the remnants of it, but you'll notice how it gets kind of pushed in our direction heading into Sunday and Monday, into your 4th of July and Monday. So regardless of what it does, we could still get a lot of that tropical moisture that would feed more showers and thunderstorms heading through your Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So that's something I'll be keeping a close eye on through the next 5 days. But you'll notice not a whole lot of movement in the highs. Highs right around 90 through the next 7 days. A little bit warmer, though, by early next week, including 4th of July, with those heat index values back above 100.